Hello lovely people. It's Julie here, and today I'm thrilled to show you how to make a sweet Brazilian classic, vegan brigadeiros. These little bites of joy are not only delicious but also dairy-free and vegan-friendly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need 1 can of sweetened condensed coconut milk. Look for this in your local grocery store. It's a game changer for vegan desserts. But if you will not find it, we got you covered here. Begin by pouring the contents of 2 cans of full-fat coconut milk into a large saucepan. Now heat the coconut milk over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent it from sticking to the pan and bring it to a gentle simmer. At this point, we gradually add in 1 cup of granulated sugar or any other vegan sweetener. Then keep stirring continuously to dissolve the sugar into the coconut milk. Reduce the heat to low to maintain a gentle simmer. Continue cooking and stirring for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now the mixture will gradually thicken and reduce in volume. It should reach a thick, syrupy consistency similar to traditional sweetened condensed milk. At this point, you have your own sweetened coconut condensed milk, so we can carry on with our brigadeiros. Now, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegan butter, or you can use coconut oil as a dairy-free alternative. Add now the unsweetened cocoa powder and stir it to incorporate. Finally, add a tiny pinch of salt just to balance the sweetness. Over medium-low heat, stir this mixture constantly with a silicone spatula or a wooden spoon. We want it to thicken and pull away from the sides of the pan, which should take about 10 to 15 minutes. And there it is, the perfect brigadeiro consistency. Remove it from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Now comes the fun part. Grease your hands slightly with vegan butter or oil to prevent sticking. Take small portions of the mixture and roll them into bite-sized balls. For that traditional brigadeiro look, roll them in vegan chocolate sprinkles or even shredded coconut. Get creative and try different coatings. And there you have it, your very own vegan brigadeiros. Perfect for parties, special occasions, or just indulging your sweet tooth. These treats are cruelty-free and absolutely scrumptious. They're so good. I hope you enjoy making and savoring these as much as I do. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more delicious vegan recipes, and share with your friends. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy cooking, my friends. Muito obrigada.